Hello, my name is Suvanne Southgate. I am the owner and lead clinician at Cutting Edge Podiatry in Cambridge. We have made this short video to help you buy the most appropriate footwear for your child's growing feet. Footwear should be bought flat with a low heel and no drop from heel to forefoot. This will promote balance and protect the legs and the back during normal growth and development. The front of the foot should be wide enough to allow the toes to move freely, both side to side and up and down. The collar of the shoes should be below the ankles, otherwise you may get some friction points. In the case of boots, the material should be flexible enough to allow full movement and range of motion of the ankle joint, both side to side and up and down. The inner lining of the shoe should be flat and flexible, ideally removable, so that if orthotics are required, the lining itself can be removed and replaced with the orthotic or the insole that we have had made or adapted for your child to wear. Your child's footwear should be ideally made of natural materials such as leather. This allows the feet to breathe and allows the body to maintain normal temperatures. The most suitable model of footwear would be one that is either lace-up, Velcro fastening, ideally not a slip-on, something that secures the shoe onto the foot. Flip-flops, clogs and ballet pumps are generally not shoes we would recommend on a day-to-day basis. Fine for a few hours on holiday or for a couple of hours at the weekend, but generally speaking, the toes will work really hard to keep the shoes in place, which will encourage toe deformities. And once you've bought your child the right footwear, it's important that they alternate between shoes and slippers for a few hours each day to ensure they're getting the right support, even in the summer holidays. It's also a great idea, especially in the summer holidays, to kick your shoes and socks off and just let your feet be free to allow for normal growth and development and enhance balance. Slippers are a great way to allow your feet to rest. It gives the base of the foot some cushioning. It also gives them some insulation and some warmth. They're roomy enough to allow normal growth and development, but at the same time they should bring something to the party in terms of support. Check periodically that there is space between the longest toe and the front or the tip of the shoe. Ideally it should be no less than 0.5 centimetres. This would allow for normal growth spurts. Also check the height of the toe box. This avoids any friction on the toes, which can lead to thickening of the toenails and also encourage ingrowing toenails. A great time to buy shoes is at the end of the day, particularly in the summer when our feet are swollen and at their largest. You'll find they'll be slightly wider and slightly longer, therefore ensuring a better purchase of footwear. I would suggest that you make sure you give enough time to buy the shoes. Try them both on in the shop, walk around a bit. You need to make sure that you give enough time to ensure that the purchase is the right one. Try to resist the temptation of buying larger shoes as extra growing room, as this will alter the way that your child walks, will encourage toe deformities by gripping the toes into the shoe to keep them on, and also cause friction and hot spots on the skin. Inappropriate footwear and style can lead to deformities in the toes and also contribute towards ingrowing toenails. Inappropriate and unsupportive footwear can also contribute towards Achilles tendonitis, bursitis and Haglunds, also known as pump bumps. Pain in the sole of the foot and heels can also occur as a result of very stiff shoes, leather-soled shoes, or ones that allows no flexibility. Rubber soles are ideal for the growing foot. Shoes that are made of synthetic fabrics are generally not breathable. This increases the risk of hyperhidrosis, which is sweaty feet, mycosis, which is fungal infections, as well as verrucas. And if you suffer from skin eczema, it can also make this worse. So that's it from us. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you would like any more advice, please contact us for an appointment at www.cuttingedgepodiatry.co.uk. Alternatively, phone our reception for an appointment on 01223 633 038. Thank you.